All right, so this is the beginning. This is actually Unit 3 as far as we're concerned. It's called this because that's what it is in our book. Unit 3, first concept we deal with has to do with the angles of a triangle. There are 3 angles in a triangle, right? Hence the three angles, right? So a triangle has 3 angles. These 3 angles, and this works for any triangle in the known universe. If I were to take the angles of a triangle, in fact, let's just take these angles right here. I'm going to take this one over here, and then let's take this one right here. And then let's take this one right here, and let me spin it around and fit it right down in there. I think that's pretty good right there. A little bit off. There we go. The 3 angles of a triangle, and if this is perfectly drawn, it would fit perfectly. The 3 angles of a triangle, notice, they all add up to make a straight line. Angle A, angle B, angle C, whatever they are, every triangle in the known universe, if you add the angles together, it adds up to 180 degrees. Okay, that's a very simple concept. The type of problems you're going to get in this section, I'm going to give you 2 of them. You have to find the missing one, right? So you're going to do some subtraction. So if I gave you 2 of these and you're supposed to find the one that's missing, you could just take 180 minus the 2 that you know. The other scenario you're going to deal with is what's called an exterior angle. An exterior angle is an angle that is on the outside of a polygon. An exterior angle is formed by extending any one side, not 2 sides, just one side. If I extend this side, I can make an angle right there. See, I could extend this side and make an angle right there. Okay? So exterior angles could exist at each vertex of a polygon, right? And it could be 2 different ones because I could have extended this side and made an angle right here. Okay? So there's the possibility of 2 exterior angles at each vertex. But let's just take a look at this one exterior angle. An exterior angle, any exterior angle is always equal to the sum, that's adding, of the 2 non-adjacent, not next to it, interior angles. So there'd be these 2 right here. Measure of angle 2 plus the measurement of angle 3. Which makes sense because if I were to take, let me grab this here. If I were to take this angle and I were to put it right here, okay, take this one right here, and let's see here, that's about right. Yeah, a little bit off. Okay, and then let's slide this one over just a little bit further. There we go. Okay, basic idea, I could take these 2 angles and I could squeeze them together and they'd be perfectly fit into this new shape. Whoops, I have to switch to my pen. Okay, this angle right here is always the same as these 2 added together. 2 and 3 added together equal the one on the outside. So an exterior angle is equal to the sum of the 2 interior angles, not the one next to it, the 2 non-adjacent interior angles. So you can get some simple problems with this where maybe I'll give you both of these, find the exterior angle. Or maybe I'll give you the exterior angle and this one, and you have to find that one, right? So it'd be some subtracting going on. But this is what you're going to get in this first part of this unit, and it'll be increasingly complex from this point, but this is the basic idea. Let's take a look at just a couple of the examples. Notice this first example, right? Exactly what I said you're probably going to have. I've got 2 of them, need to find the missing one. How would I do this? Well, you could add those 2 that you know together. Let's see, 7, carry the 1, 3, that'd be 61, right? Now the 3 of them together have to add up to 180, so then I would do 180 minus those 2 to find my missing one. So it'd be 119. If I did my math right, 119 degrees. Okay. Here's an exterior one. Notice this one gave me the 2 interior. Find the exterior. Well, these 2 interior added together equal this one. So this case, all we have to do is add them together. $128. So this exterior angle is 128 degrees. All right, that's the basic idea. Obviously, the questions get a little bit more complex from there, but this should be enough to get you started with this lesson.